Welcome to Super 8 by Wyndham Laurel. Conveniently located close to Route 84 and I-59, just 1.3 miles from the Laurel Race Track for comfort, convenience, and southern hospitality. Our rooms are thoughtfully designed with your comfort in mind, offering free Wi-Fi, flat-screen TVs, refrigerators, and suite bathrooms. Suites add whirlpool tubs. Super 8 by Wyndham Laurel provide the amenities as free coffee and breakfast, laundry, free parking, hairdryer, and on-site guest laundry. The Super 8 by Wyndham Laurel are also just a short drive from popular area attractions like Laurel Race Track, Baltimore, University of Maryland, Washington Monument, Merriweather Post Pavilion, Maryland Live Casino, and train station. Walk away. The Super 8 by Wyndham Laurel offers professional and reliable service. Best competitive rate makes Super 8 by Wyndham Laurel MD Hotel as the most preferred place to stay. Book your room today for a pleasant and relaxing stay. You can book a hotel by clicking the link in the video description.